Hello, my friends. It's Courtney here from Flynn-It, and today I'm going to share with you two of my favorite increases. And the reason I love them is because they are so hard to detect in the fabric once you've knitted them, which makes them awesome in my book. The first one is called the invisible right leaning increase, and the second one is called the invisible left leaning increase. And I'll show you how to do both of them right now. Okay, so we're going to start with that invisible right leaning increase. And to do this, what we're going to do is come in and use our right needle to pick up the right leg of the stitch below our first stitch on our left needle purlwise. So I'm going to come in with my right needle, grab that right leg below, put it onto the needle, and then I'm going to knit that right leg that I just picked up as usual, and then come in purlwise and slip that stitch from my left needle onto my right. And now I've created two stitches out of one, increasing it, okay? So I'm gonna do that one more time for you. We're coming in with our right needle, picking up the right leg below the first stitch on our left needle, putting it onto that needle, knitting that leg we just picked up, and then slipping the stitch. Okay, so that is the invisible right leaning increase. All right, so to do that invisible left leaning increase, what we're going to do is we're going to come in and use our right needle to slip that next stitch on our left needle purlwise. We're going to slip it purlwise onto our right needle. And then you're going to come in with your left needle, and we're looking for the left leg of the stitch below that slip stitch. So we're picking up the left leg here, and we are going to knit it through the back loop. And we're already kind of set up to do that just by slipping that stitch up onto our needle, okay? So instead of knitting it through the front like you'd normally do, we're knitting it through the back loop, okay? And there you go. You've made two stitches out of the one. And once you knit this into your, continue knitting with it, you will have a nearly invisible increase there. I'll do it one more time for you, okay? So we slip that stitch, pick up the left leg, knit it through the back loop, and bam, you're done, okay? So I hope this was helpful in showing you how to do that invisible right leaning increase and the invisible left leaning increase. And I can't wait to share more with you next time. Thank you so much for being here. Follow me on Instagram at Flynn-It to see what I'm working on next.